Hello and welcome to Learn Statistics class. In this class we are going to learn the statistical concept in simple and more easy way. The topic of today's lecture is beta second kind distribution. In this topic we will discuss relation between beta first kind and second kind. Now let us start with the relation between beta first and second kind distributions. Statement: if x follow a beta 1 with parameter m and n, then x divided by 1 minus x should follow beta second kind with parameter m and n. We know that since x follow beta 1 with parameter m n, then the PMF of x is f of x equal to 1 upon beta m n x raised to m minus 1 into 1 minus x raised to n minus 1 for 0 less than equal to x less than equal to 1. This is the probability density function of beta first kind distribution. Now consider, let y equal to x upon 1 minus x. Let me define a new variable y for x divided by 1 minus x. As x lies between 0 and 1, y will lies between 0 and infinity. Means y is a increasing function of x. Hence the PDF of y can be obtained by the theorem of monotonic functions of univariate transformation of random variable. By that theorem, the PDF of y is given by gy is equal to fx into absolute value of dx divided by dy. Consider y equal to x upon 1 minus x. From this expression I will obtain the value of x, then we will calculate the differentiation dx upon dy. Therefore 1 upon y is equal to 1 minus x divided by x. Divide x separately, then it is 1 by x minus 1. Hence 1 upon x is equal to 1 plus 1 divided by y. By taking the LCM we get it is 1 plus y upon y. Hence the value of x is x equal to y divided by 1 plus y. Call it as equation number 1 for our further reference. Now I will differentiate the equation number 1 with respect to y. What will happen? Dx upon dy is equal to, since x is a form of u upon v, variable ratio of variables u by v. So we use the formula of differentiation of division of variables u by v. I think students are very well understand and remember that formula. I am not going to discuss here the mathematical formulae. I also use this formula to obtain our derivative. So it is 1 plus y into derivative of y, that is 1, minus y into derivative of 1 plus y, which is 0 plus y. Therefore it is 1 plus y minus y upon 1 plus y square. So which is equal to y and y get cancelled, 1 upon 1 plus y bracket square. This is the derivative of x with respect to y. Hence the PDF of y is given by gy is equal to fx multiplied by absolute value of dx upon dy. By substituting the values of PDF and dx by dy, we get 1 upon beta mn x raised to m minus 1 multiplied by 1 minus x raised to n minus 1 into absolute value of 1 upon 1 plus y bracket square. Since 1 plus y bracket square is positive, so it is 1 upon beta m comma n x raised to m minus 1 1 minus x raised to n minus 1 into 1 by 1 plus y bracket square. After that, we will put the value of x in terms of y, since we are going to calculate the PDF of y. So it is gy is equal to 1 by beta mn y upon 1 plus y raised to m minus 1. I have used the value of x from equation 1, y by 1 plus y, 1 minus y upon 1 plus y raised to n minus 1 into 1 upon 1 plus y square. 1 upon beta m n y raised to m minus 1 divided by 1 plus y raised to m minus 1 plus 2. I have combined the power of 1 plus y. I simplify the bracket by taking the cross multiplication. So it is 1 plus y minus y upon 1 plus y whole square, which is equal to 1 upon beta m n y raised to m minus 1 upon 1 plus y raised to m plus 1 into this y and y cancel, so it is 1 by 1 plus y bracket raised to n minus 1. By combining 1 plus y together, we get 1 upon beta m n y raised to m minus 1 upon 1 plus y raised to m plus 1 plus n minus 1 by combining these two terms. Here plus 1 minus 1 get cancelled and we get the PDF of y as gy is equal to 1 upon beta m n y raised to m minus 1 divided by 1 plus y raised to m plus n, with y lies between 0 to infinity as we have seen earlier. And by observing this expression, we say that gy is nothing but the probability density function of beta second kind. Hence, y equal to x upon 1 minus x follow beta distribution of second kind with parameters m and n. Therefore, if we are given a variate x which is beta first kind, then x by 1 minus x is beta second kind. This is the relation between beta first kind and second kind. If x is beta first kind, then x by 1 minus x is beta second kind. In this way, in this lecture, we learn what is the relation between beta first kind and second kind distribution. Also, we take a derivation of their relationship with the help of obtaining the PDF of x by 1 minus x. In the previous lectures, we have already taken many more concepts from beta first kind distribution as well as beta second kind distribution. If a student want to learn that topic, then click on the I button, and link of that playlist are also given in the description box. Many more statistical topics are discussed on Learn Statistics platform. The link of all the chapters are given in the description box. If student want to learn, please refer to the description box. If student like this lecture, click on the like button, share with your friends, and subscribe to Learn Statistics channel for the next upcoming lectures in the upcoming days. We will meet in the next lecture with the next topic. Till then, we will stop here. Thank you.